Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Squarespace site. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add the new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Squarespace. I'm in the Squarespace home menu. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the left, scroll down and go to Settings. Go all the way down to the bottom and click on Advanced. Then click on Code Injection. That's third down from the top. Scroll down and paste your code in the footer text field. Keep an eye on the top left of your screen. Save and cancel text will appear. Those are links. Hit Save. You're all set. Go ahead and preview the Squarespace site to make sure your widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly from your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.